Well, if you are thinking of starting an print-on-demand e-commerce site in India for free but don't know where to start, this video is for you. The platform that we are going to use is Blinkstore. Blinkstore is a free print-on-demand service provider in India. Now, why Blinkstore? Blinkstore is free to use. You can launch your site within minutes, and there are various variety of products to choose from, and already lot of brands and creators are using this platform. To create your site, you can just sign up using your Gmail account. Well, I have already created some stores for experimental purpose. If you want to create one, just click on create icon here and select new store. It will ask you to mention the store name, mention anything that you want. I'll go for new 456, and once you click on create, your store is ready. Just you need to add your store banner and add some products. To add products, you can just click on add products, create new design, and you can choose a product from their various collections from men, women, uh, home decor and accessories. I'm just going to choose t-shirt. You can simply click on add design. The design requirement for this site is 3000 by 3000 pixels. You can edit one using free editing softwares out there like Photofee or GIMP. So once you add design, you can select colors of t-shirts on which you want this design to be get printed and sold on, and we can see the price of the t-shirt also here. And after that, you can just click on continue. After clicking on continue, it is going to take you here where you need to mention title of the product, description, and the profit that you want to get when someone purchases this. So just we are going to make it fast. We'll mention the title as Radha Krishna t-shirt. Description, we are just going to copy paste this. We'll keep our profit as 200 rupees, and it is going to ask us to mention some relevant tags. We are just going to mention it as Radha and Krishna. Now you can view the preview of the product here, the price, title, description, and the material details. And once you are okay with all this, you can click on publish product. Now the product is published on t-shirt, and Blinkstore will ask you if you want to sell this design on another products also. Then it is bit slow, it's going to show up to you. Yeah, now the design is published on t-shirt, and Blinkstore will ask you if you want to uh, sell this particular design on various other products like hoodies and posters and accessories like this. So first, for if you want to select, you can select everything, but just I'm going to select two of them, and we can add the profit that we want to make out of them here. Just will add 300 and click on add product. Once everything is done, these products will be pushed to our store like this, and if you are okay with it, you can click on save, and you can visit your store. And for the home page, you can just click on new on your yeah, this is the home page. We should add our banner here, but you got the point, you can add it later. Now we can view our products here. Like, imagine a customer comes, visits our site, he'll see a product like this, and he can click here. You can view various options like colors, sizes, and everything. You can choose anything you want, and you can add to bag, go to cart, and it will show the products they added to the cart here. If you offer any discount code, they can mention it here and get the discount. and from here they can place their order. Once a customer places order, you can get the details here in this section of dashboard. So how much orders you got, how much profit you got will be reflected here, and you can always redeem your profit from the payout section from here. So this is it. It took almost 5 minutes for me to create a site and add products here. So you can also create one. As we are creating our site for free in Blinkstore, it does have some limitations, like we can't expect an hi-fi site at free of cost. Definitely, if you want to start your e-com journey for free, you can start doing this. You can create designs, you can publish them, you can drive traffic to them for free, and see what works, what not works. And if you get sales, you can use that money to create a paid site. Like you can create one from Shopify, you can create using hosting or WooCommerce sites, and you can start earning money. Well, I started like this, and I own a Shopify store using which I earn decent amount of money every month, and I like to share that information with you in this channel. And if you like to learn it, consider subscribing to my channel, and let's learn and grow together. Have a great day.